2015 Jeep Cherokee. Customer states they hear a rattling type knocking sound at idle. At another shop, and another shop replaced the wheel bearings on it, I guess, and the noise is still persistent. I took it for a drive, and now I've got it up on the lift, and at first I couldn't hear what they were talking about. I did feel a bit of movement when I put it from reverse to drive, like a motor mount is quite worn out. And then when we came up on the stop sign, finally did hear that magical noise. So now as we walk up under here, I start smacking stuff, and you can see right here this flex pipe is just kind of moving, but if I take and hit this, listen, you'll hear it. But if I venture up this way and grab where that flex pipe is, you'll see right here you've got a broken bracket. So we've also got a broken flex pipe. I think a bigger issue here is they may have a motor mount that is wore out or some kind of mount. When I lift up on this exhaust, you can watch the whole trans and stuff start to move. But I think our main concern is that bracket. So yeah, they may have a mount worn out, but for now I'm going to help them out and we're going to do something about this bracket. Also, the clamp on the heat shield is rattling around as well, and the front one is broken. So we'll get that taken care of for them, and they'll be back on the road in no time. Cool little contraption, little MIG light on the welder. Brad got it all welded up and looking nice. Right now he's welding in the flex pipe. Best way to use your O-light as well.